Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're doing a 5-ingredient frozen strawberry daiquiri. I just finished a giant paper for national boards, and it's 80 degrees in my apartment. So I'm not cooking today. We're just going to do a quickie. We're going to start with 2 limes. You're going to roll them like this. This is going to express the juice a little bit more when we juice them. Then we're going to cut them in half and have them ready. Don't drop them in the sink. That would be bad. I've got 6 ounces of fresh strawberries. I've got 8 ounces of frozen strawberries. I've got 1 ounce of simple syrup. Normally I would make my own, but not today. That came from a jar. And I've got 5 ounces of white rum. You know, unless you're making a kid's drink, then cut it out, obviously. You can make this booze free. I know that some of you are like, why would I want to do that? Because it's tasty. Then we're going to juice our limes. Just go ahead and drop them right in. Spray with reckless abandon. Lock your lid on tight just in case you got a machine that'll let you turn it on if there's not a lid. And then hit high. And in moments, you have a lovely sweet treat. Now, were I you, and I'm not, but if I were, if it were this watery, I would probably add some ice. But let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Also, if you had daiquiri glasses, like half of this would fill up a daiquiri glass. I Googled how to make this. I would probably double or even triple the sugar. Do not trust the internet. Okay, that's all I got for you today. I am exhausted. I think I'm getting sick. Leave a comment below. Let me know how I'm doing. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.